Medical and Dental Consultants Association of Nigeria in Ondo State have asked the National University Commission to stop meddling in the postgraduate training of the profession. They made their position known at a press briefing in Akure, from where TVC News correspondent Ayodeji Moradeyo files in this report.
These health professionals are currently on strike, and the agitation springs from a circular by National Universities Commission directing Vice Chancellor to start implementation of no career progression for all clinical lecturers without PhD. At this press briefing in Akure, members of the association in Ondo State rejected the position of NUC.
NUC has the mandate to regulate the activities of the universities.
The vice chairman of the association in the state accused the NUC of attempts to usurp the powers of National Postgraduate Medical College. She said possession of PhD should remain voluntary and optional for clinical lecturers.
That the MD can reject the imposition of PhD on clinical lecturers. 2, that the Executive Secretary, NUC, has been speaking from both sides of his mouth. In one breath, he mentioned that possession of PhD is voluntary and optional. And in another breath, making it mandatory for career progression for clinical lecturers.
Members of this association insist that the directive issued by the National University Commission is illegal.
NUC has the mandate to regulate the activities of the universities, but not the National Postgraduate College of Nigeria. The National Postgraduate College of Nigeria is saddled with medical education, both at undergraduates and postgraduates in Nigeria.
The circular issued by NUC is alien to us, is obnoxious because everywhere fellowship is the terminal degree for clinical lecturers, whereas PhD is for other departments. When you have a PhD, you entered into academics as a lecturer too, with 3 years experience plus the PhD.
For members of this association, the only way forward in the ongoing strike is for the NUC to direct all sides in the matter to allow the status quo remain. Ayodeji Moradeyo, TVC News, Akure.